Hello students, today our topic is from EVS, that is seasons. Now here is the picture that can explain you the season. By seeing the picture you can recognize that what season is. Number 1, yes, here is rainy season. You can see the rain. It explained that this is the picture of rainy season. Number 2 is summer. You can see the boy is sweating so much, so it explained this is a summer season. Now the third one is winter, because the boy wear cap, socks, gloves. It shows that this is the picture of winter season. Summer. Summer is the hottest of 4 seasons. It is transmitted period between spring and autumn. Summer has 3 months: June, July and August. Next is winter, the cold weather season. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stay till February. Northern India means the place where we are staying, जहाँ पर हम रह रहे हैं. January are the coldest month in the northern part of India. जो जनवरी मंथ होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा कोल्डेस्ट मंथ होता है. दिस सीज़न इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर राबी क्रॉप्स. जो राबी की फसल होती है वो इसी सीज़न में बोई जाती है. द वेदर इज़ नॉर्मली मार्क्ड बाय क्लियर स्काईज, लो टेम्परेचर एंड लो ह्यूमिडिटी एंड feeble variable winds. Now seasons and clothes. Here is the picture of some another seasons and also with the picture of clothes we wears in different season. Number 1 is summer. You can see that in the picture summer में हम क्या क्या पहन रहे हैं. शॉर्ट्स, स्विमिंग सूट, ड्रेस, कैप, बाथरोब, सैंडल, टैंक टॉप और फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स. ऑटम में क्या है? नॉर्मल जीन शर्ट, वेस्ट कोट, सूट, स्वेट टी शर्ट, रबर बूट्स, टाई, रेन कोट, स्वेट पैंट्स एंड ब्लेजर. विंटर में हम क्या पहन रहे हैं? ग्लव्स, बूट्स, स्कार्फ, स्वेटर, कोट, सॉक्स, जैकेट, वूलन हैट एंड so many of the clothes. Spring shoes, t-shirt, skirt, hat, trouser, overall, blouse, track suit and wind acre. Here are some more clothes in the different season. Number 1 is summer. In summer you can see that the summer cloth. Now next is winter. You can see we wear sweater in winter. In rainy season we wear raincoat. I hope you understand all the seasons clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.